Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download NumPy on Python in a very simple way. How are you going to do it? Before, if you downloaded Python from this website called python.org, then you can simply install it, and I made a dedicated video how to download Python. You can simply watch it and then you come over this video to show how to download NumPy. So for checking it, we will going to go for search option, going to search for cmd, and first we're going to search for Python, that it's installed or not. Going to type Python space dash dash call a version, click enter, and you can rightly see Python 3.12.7 is installed. And now we will going to check the Python pip, if the pip is installed into a computer or not. So how are you going to show it? Type py space slash dash m space pip space dash dash call version, and then click enter. After a short time, you can see you get your pip version over here called pip 24.3.1. So if you want to upgrade it, how are you going to do it? Just simply type python.exe space dash m pip install space dash dash upgrade pip. So basically what we did, we firstly checked the Python is installed or not. We got it that Python 3.12.7 is installed. After that, we checked that the pip is installed or not, and we get the pip version over here. And now we will going to upgrade the pip and going to type this command over here, and then going to click on enter. After a short time, you can see your pip is going to be upgraded, and you can see you successfully installed pip 24.3.1, and there will be some packages, and now they are also downloaded. And now we will going to type cls to clear all the function we typed, and now we will going to download NumPy into our computer. So I will going to do it. First we're going to type this command called py space dash m space pip space install space NumPy, and then going to click on enter. And after that, a short time, you can see your NumPy is started downloading, and it's now installing collected packages NumPy. So before, you have to connect it with the internet to install the NumPy 2.2.2, and you can see it's successfully installed NumPy 2.2.2. So yeah, this simple method can help you to download and install NumPy on Python in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.